Experiencing issues with your AirPods Pro 3 head gestures like nod or shake controls? First, ensure your AirPods are actually the AirPods Pro 3 model, as Apple hasn't officially released them as of October 2025. If you're using a hypothetical model, or this feature becomes available later, proceed with these steps. Start by confirming your iPhone or Apple device is running iOS 18 or later. Then navigate to Settings, go to Accessibility, and select AirPods. Enable head gestures in the AirPods menu if available. Calibrate the gestures by following the on-screen prompts to set up nod and shake controls. If gestures are still unresponsive, try resetting your AirPods. First, forget them in Bluetooth settings. Then, reset the case by holding the button for 15 seconds. Finally, repair the AirPods. Also, check for interference from other apps, such as fitness trackers, that might affect gesture detection. Finally, ensure your AirPods firmware is up to date by checking in the iOS Settings app under your AirPods. Head gesture controls rely on internal sensors called IMUs, which include gyroscopes and accelerometers. These sensors detect your head movements and translate them into commands. To optimize performance, adjust sensitivity settings in the Gestures menu to prevent accidental triggers. Ensure a quiet environment during calibration for accurate readings. Keep in mind that wearing glasses or certain headwear might affect gesture recognition. If problems persist, clean the AirPods sensors. Head gestures are designed to integrate seamlessly with other features like active noise cancellation and spatial audio, enhancing your overall listening experience. While Apple hasn't fully embraced this feature as of late 2025, keeping your software updated and troubleshooting with these steps should resolve most issues if the AirPods Pro 3 or a similar model introduces head gesture support.